All right. Hello, everybody. This is Rob from The Breakdown Show. And today we're going to do analysis on this video right here. I don't know if you guys have all seen it. It is with Jordan Welch. Pretty popular guy, 1.84 million subscribers. So he definitely has the following. But this one got my attention because like you can read the title, Laziest Way to make money with AI, $100 plus a day. I mean, everybody is using AI for everything. I don't know if you don't know anything about AI, then you must be living in a cave or you're fucking not paying attention at all. I see the potential to make $100 a day, but it's pretty competitive. I mean, everybody is using it for some way of some sort. So we'll do a little bit of beginning here.
Easiest way to make money with AI as a beginner. Well, after making over $10 million online in the past few years, I have to say that AI has made getting rich more accessible than it's ever been.
Zoom it up.
So today, make the craziest hyper-realistic video about anything. And the best part is that you can get paid for it. Let me show you an example of what I'm talking about. So I know the person that's running this TikTok account, and they are making over $10,000 a month with the dumbest videos I've ever seen in my life. Basically, what they do is make these crazy, borderline offensive AI videos, and they use them to sell products on TikTok Shop, and they get a little bit of commission for every single product they sell.
That is possible.
I'm gonna play this video for y'all just so you can see how
none of these things
you
that
can
he's
make
talking
money with
about
this
are
AI
not
content in a few different
impossible.
ways. As you saw there, you can post it yourself and get paid from affiliate marketing or AdSense, or you can sell these video creation services to other companies.
Farther, see if we can go to the next one.
Realistic video of a gorilla.
You guys can go back and watch it if you want.
Trying to
the link, you can see it right there.
A gold chain with a Jesus piece on it. And then it will give you a very clear prompt that you can use for Google's platform. And then from that, you have a crazy good piece of content that you could put on whatever platform you want. I would just take the prompt right here, and then I would bring it over to Flow, which is Google's platform. I would paste the prompt into there, and then we're going to go ahead and hit start. And literally in like 60 seconds or less, it's going to spit out a crazy video. I honestly have spent hours playing with this tool. It is maybe one of the most incredible tools I've ever experienced in my life. And I've been on the internet for so many years. So check this out. Let's look at this video that it created for us. All right, so in just 60 seconds, the video is done. And just look at the quality of this video that it produced in less than a minute.
So now what he goes on saying is you can actually take these videos that you create and sell them to other people. Again, competition's pretty high on that. I'll show you in a few minutes the analysis I did from my website, canatprofit.com, and we'll take a look. But I just wanted you to see some of this.
That is absolutely insane. A couple years ago, to make something like this, you would have to know business is the lack of potential. Since everyone, I'm giving it a medium. My only major problem with this business is the lack of potential. Since everyone in the world can make the same exact videos as you, the barrier to entry is basically
I agree with him on this one.
And since you're earning money from views or selling other people's products, the sustainability of the business is extremely low. I mean, you're just one bad month or one algorithm change from the entire business falling apart and you having to start all over again. In my eyes, it's more of a side hustle than a real business. So for that reason, I'm putting the potential as low. The next AI business I want to talk about is building an AI software.
Sauce.
Excuse my handwriting. It's really bad.
Everybody and their mother, again, is building these things. I mean, so what I'm going to do, if you guys want to watch this video, you guys can go ahead and watch it. I'm not going to keep playing it. I'm going to go jump over to, let's see if I can share the other screen here. Hang on. And I'm going to bring up my other screen real quick. Bear with me here. Okay, so now we're looking at the analysis of this same video. So if you can look up here, Laziest Way to Make Money with AI, $100 plus a day by Jordan Welch. There's the link. So if you look at them, first one he goes to AI content writing, which we were just talking about. Estimated startup between $800 to $2,500 depending on the equipment you buy, the monthly subscriptions you have. 6 out of 10, which means it's medium. You can competition is there, but I think it's actually heavier than that. 0.6 months to get your money back. I'm going to say my system's a little off on that one. It would take longer than that, in my opinion. Um, then we got social media management. Again, everybody's doing it. None of these things that he talked about, I mean, they're all, my system gave a medium for all of them. I think it's actually a little higher than that, just depending on the competition. The AI business process automation, again, you got high level that's pretty much doing that. If you can get high level, you could probably blow that number away easily. But again, the cost of startup is pretty consistent there, 1,700. I think high level is running about $100 a month or $200 a month. So right out of the gate, you're $200 in the hole. Plus you got to have your system, and then plus you got to get actual people to sign up. But what you don't see is everybody is doing the same thing. They're doing the cold emails. They're building websites, for these businesses, which I do myself. I build them and then I try and sell them. To me, it's fun. It's productive. I've just started doing it, and I use Replit for that. That Replit built this website right here. So I have no coding experience, but I figured it out. It's not that hard at all. AI enhanced online course creation. What are you going to create a course on how to sell, dumb videos on TikTok, or sell stupid hats, or sell some kind of crap from Asia or China? Or you're going to sell videos on how to sell shit on Amazon FBA. Everybody's already got the damn courses out there, unless you want to sell them for $5 on Etsy, then maybe you can go that route, but I don't think that's possible either. SEO content optimization, again, everybody's reaching out to these small businesses. They're on Google My Business, and you're ranked, on page 5, and you pay somebody $800 to get you on page 2, maybe page 1. Good luck. I mean, everybody. Again, these things are. I don't know why my system came back with a competition medium. It should be a high on all of them. I don't see why it did that, but I guess the AI thinks it's a medium competition, which I think it's way higher. AI voice to audio production service. Okay, you can record your voice, sell it on 11 labs, and make money there. Podcast and editing. I don't know, voiceover services. You got AIs that can do that. You don't have to, again, trying to sell something that everybody else is selling. AI data analysis and insight consulting. This one I really like. I think this one has a good potential. I mean, I don't see a lot of people trying to do data analysis for companies. I see them all SEOs or business automation and things like that. I think they're more up here. I think the money is going to be right here in the data analysis. You can get somebody's Excel sheet on their accounting, and you can find the leaks. You can find where the money is going, how much is going for it. And simple AI prompt in ChatGPT will tell you everything you need to know quickly. And then you can in turn sell that back to the company. I see that one as a big potential. I would actually think the competition is pretty low. AI powered e-commerce solution. Yeah. Customer service automation, personalized marketing campaigns, inventory optimization. You can do that. I don't know. It seems like the price is pretty much consistent with each other. Let's zoom down or go down a little bit farther. You can see a little more intense breakdown. Medium pretty much is everything up here, but it'll give you primary revenue, what it estimates, secondary on top of that. Here we go. So you're gonna ChatGPT Plus, $20, Jasper, Copy AI. Those are all good. You're gonna have to spend more than that though. Let's see which one. This one, AI, social media, same thing. You can get all that from AI, but again, trying to sell something to everybody else is already being bombarded with, with the cold emails. Let's see, custom chatbot, high level can handle that. AI image video generation. Again, if you got, I can't think of the name of there's a newest one that just came out. It's an AI, which is the one that creates those videos, and it wasn't Google, it was another one, but it's $20 a month to get that. And I played with around a little bit, but I'm not into these AI generated image videos. Otherwise, I wouldn't be showing my face there. The AI business automate. Yep. I think this is still a good one, but high level can handle that. But it's a matter of selling it to the business, because they're getting bombarded with it. But if you go to Google My Business, I mean, you basically got the entire United States, or if you're going to go into Canada, I don't know if Google My Business is up there, but literally there's thousands upon thousands of opportunities. It only takes a couple for you to make a pretty good, decent income. So you're going to have to do a lot of, Google My Business data scraping to get the emails to send out to everybody, which if you get, Google AI, I mean, not Google, ChatGPT, you can do some of that. Course creation, don't think that's a good possibility. SEO, again, everybody's writing it and doing that. So the voiceover, I mean, again, 11 Labs can do that for you. So overall, most of these businesses, if you look at them, are profitable. So you can make money on them. I just don't think that, I think, again, my system's way off on the estimated payback time on most of these. I think it'd be a lot longer than a month and a half, or less than 8 months, 7 months, 6, 7 months. That could be, 0.6. I don't know if it's coming about, you know, 6 months, or I got to check that, but it should be like either 6 months, not 0.7 months. So anyways, yeah, that's my analysis on that video. I mean, again, AI is possible. You can make money on it. It's just a matter of, it's going to be repetition and how many emails you can get out. I know if you send over more than 50 emails a day to specific individuals, it'll start going into spam or into junk folders. Then you're going to have to get AI to write you a cold email that gets their attention. So, I mean, it's just a matter of repetition. The more people you email, the more people you reach out and talk to or email, the odds are you're going to get successful. So, all right, everybody, that's the video. I'm going to wrap it up. And hopefully get another one out next week. I appreciate your time, and thank you. Have a good evening.